People will naturally and automatically like you if you use these 3 tips that I'm going to talk to you about in this video. Watch to the end because the last one is the most important. We go through so much of our lives looking for social validation and acceptance, which can cause us some pain, but it's a fact that having a lot of friends helps your mental and physical well-being, and professionally, having a large social network is a huge benefit to you. My name's Steven, and on this channel, I provide you with the knowledge and ideas that made me a millionaire and that will make you one too. Financial success provides us with the freedom to pursue our passions and our purpose. And if you like the sound of that, hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell notification icon, and more of these videos will be shown to you in the future. So jumping into number 1, which is share commonalities. It's a scientific fact that people like other people that are similar to themselves in some way. So if you want to build quick rapport with somebody, find some common ground. Do you guys share a hobby? Did you guys go to the same school? Do you like the same music? You need to find something that you can kind of anchor your relationship to. And so in order to get this information, you can ask questions about themselves, right? Ask them, what their favorite sports teams are, or ask them about their family. Find something that you share with that person. Whatever the commonality is, it will act as the bond that connects you that you can refer back to in the future if needed. And also, quick side note, the more specific the commonality is, the deeper the bond will be. So say you're studying abroad, in Europe or some other place, and you meet someone that went to the same university as you. That's a very specific commonality, which means that will bring you guys even closer together. And the second tip that will get more people to like you quicker is help them achieve a specific task. Ask yourself how you can save this person time, money, or energy. Maybe it's a project at work, or maybe it's helping them move into a new home, or maybe it's introducing them to somebody, or maybe it's even teaching them something. Help them achieve a task either easier, quicker, or cheaper, and the gratification that they get from achieving that task actually gets projected onto you and makes you more likable. It usually triggers the natural reciprocity effect within them as well, which usually gets returned back to you in the future. And please help me achieve a task right now. Hit that like button down below. It's not hard to do, and it means a lot. Now, the third tip is make them feel good. This can be done in so many different ways. It can be a compliment or even just a smile, which makes them smile. It can be using their name, right? People respond to that so well. Or maybe let them know that they did a good job, or that you appreciate their time or their effort on something. You can let them know that they're valued, or you can let them know that you're interested in the work that they're doing. Radiate your happiness onto them. If you can get them to leave that interaction feeling good, those good feelings are automatically associated with you. And then in their subconscious mind, whenever they think about you, good feelings automatically come up. So to recap the 3 tips, number 1, share commonalities. Number 2, help them achieve a specific task. And number 3, make them feel good. If you can do these 3 things with the same person, it is impossible for them not to like you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button down below. Also leave a comment and let me know any other tips that you have to increase your likability. I appreciate you and I believe in you, and I'll see you next time.